In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to USDC on the Binance platform. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the conversion process and manage your cryptocurrency holdings effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance mobile application. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the trade option in the main menu. This is typically found at the top of the screen on the desktop version or in the menu on the mobile app. Next, select the convert option from the drop-down menu under trade. This will take you to the conversion interface. In this section, you will see options to choose the assets you want to convert. Click on the asset selection box and search for USDT. Once you find it, select it as the asset you wish to convert from. After selecting USDT, you will need to choose the receiving asset. In the same conversion interface, there is another asset selection box. Click on it and search for USDC as the asset you want to receive in exchange for your USDT. Make sure to enter the amount of USDT you wish to convert into the designated field. Take note of the conversion rate displayed, as it will inform you of how much USDC you will receive. Once you have entered the amount, review the displayed conversion rate carefully. This is an important step to ensure that you understand how much USDC you will receive for your USDT. If everything looks satisfactory, proceed by clicking the confirm button to finalize the conversion. This action will initiate the transaction, and you may see a loading indicator as your request is processed. After the transaction completes, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the conversion was successful. To verify that the USDC has been credited to your account, navigate to your spot wallet. Here, you will find your updated balance reflecting the newly converted USDC. It is advisable to check your wallet to ensure that the conversion has been accurately completed and that the USDC is now available for your use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.